Hi everyone. In this session, we'll be learning about Octoparse. So this is the installed application of Octoparse 8 and you can see there is a URL tab. Here I have entered URL of yelp.com where I am trying to find out the best Mexican restaurants in San Francisco. So let's click start after entering the URL. Here, after clicking on the Start button, you will see an automatic workflow is created where the first step is go to web page 1 is already there. After this, here the results of the restaurants are there. You can see. The next step is to create a pagination loop, and for it, we need to go to the bottommost of the page. Here we'll click the next button and we'll click on loop, click single element. Yes, you can see the pagination loop is created and now we'll see that we are already on the page number 2 of our result. But to start any task, we need to extract data from the page number 1 first. So we'll again go to web page and click here. After clicking here, the next step is to create the loop item. And for this, we need to click in the pagination loop. Here we'll select the data. You can see the ones where I've clicked is turned into green and others are red. So Octoparse has automatically chosen the selected item which can be similar to the selected result. Now we'll click on select all and loop clicks in each URL. Now a loop item within the pagination loop is created. After the loading of web page, we'll land up to a result, which is La Paloma restaurant. And now we'll select the data to be extracted. So suppose I want to take name. So I'll click here. The next thing would be to get the contact detail. So I'll click here and the address. As you can see, there are various fields created. What you can do is you can edit these fields by their name, address, or contact details, or you can do it later on after the data is extracted. Now we'll click on extract data. So this is our whole workflow. First, we'll click on save and then we'll run the task. So there are three options. I'll prefer to run my task on my device. So I'll click on this. You can see a new pop-up will show up. And here the data extracted will be shown. So there is runtime and data extracted. It might take few seconds to extract data, so there is nothing to worry about it. There are three fields which are name, contact details, and address. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, you can see the data is being extracted. Right now you can see it is extracting data from the web page 1. It might be a slower process, but there is nothing to worry about it. So after this, when all the web pages are covered, you can download the data from this into the Excel file. Thank you for watching.